10 to the power 20 upon 50 to the power 10 under square root. How to solve this? Before dealing with the square root, we will have to deal with this exponent. So 10 to the power 20 upon 50, we can write it as 5 times 10, then whole to the power 10 under square root. When a times b whole raised to the power m, this is equal to a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m. Therefore, it will be 10 to the power 20 upon 5 to the power 10 times 10 to the power 10 under square root. Now, there is an identity. If a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n, then this will be 10 to the power 20 minus 10 upon 5 to the power 10 under square root. So, this is 10 to the power 10 upon 5 to the power 10 under square root. Now again, if a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m, this we can write a upon b whole raised to the power m. So this we can write 10 upon 5 whole raised to the power 10 under square root. Now 5 times 2 is 10. So this is 2 to the power 10 under square root. Now square root means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So this is 2 to the power 10 whole raised to the power 1 upon 2, or this is 2 to the power 10 times 1 upon 2, because when a to the power m whole to the power n, this is equal to a to the power m times n. 2 times 5 is 10. So 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. This is our answer. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.